Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about SafeMoon. Guys, this video is an urgent update of the SafeMoon and this video I'm also talking about the quick jump of the SafeMoon, that when will the price increase. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. SafeMoon holders, wake up in the market, it's time to make a profit. Now you can see here, first of all, if you look the latest price of the SafeMoon in the market, so 0.00002 USD dollar. The current price of the SafeMoon in the market is very low, and I hope, my friends, that the price will become positive very soon. The current price is very low, but on the other hand, if you look the changes occur in the SafeMoon, so you can see here, my friends, that the last 1 hour changes is negative, the last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the SafeMoon is positive. The changes is positive, my friends. So that's mean the last 7 days changes is positive. That's mean that SafeMoon start pump from the 1st August and still they are in the pumping mood. Let me show you the price chart. SafeMoon is now, August month is a profitable month for SafeMoon holders. You can see here a quick jump occurred by SafeMoon, and in this time for some time interval the price jumped, but in the latest situation the price is again in the positive changes, my friends, and I hope that they will continue this pump for a long time. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your price prediction about SafeMoon? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.